Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Typically, turai ki sabji is not a hot favorite with everybody. Follow our recipe and become a fan of rich gourd for life. Let's see how to make this yummy, nutritious recipe. Let's heat oil in a pressure pan, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, add some curry leaves. Usually 1.5 kilo of vegetables is more than sufficient for 6 people. But after peeling, chopping and cooking, rich gourd reduces in volume. So today I am adding sweet potatoes and pumpkin. If you want, you can also add carrots or potatoes. Add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala and salt. Give it a good mix, and now I am adding just half a cup of water. Rich gourd oozes out water, turai pani chhodega. So add very little water or no water. Now let's allow only one whistle, na kam, na zyada. In the meanwhile, heat a little oil and add some dry coconut pieces. Fry for just half a minute and add stone flour or dagad fool. This is optional, but if you add it, it gives a nice Maharashtrian flavor to the recipe. Now add onions, green chilies, a small piece of tamarind. Cook till the onions change color and switch off the flame and let it cool. Transfer to a mixer jar. Now you can add a little bit of bhuna chana or roasted gram. But I forgot and I started blending, so now I am adding 3 tablespoons roasted gram. I am adding bhuna chana to give a nice even texture to the gravy. Add a little water, blend it. Now keep it aside. Let's open the cooker and add the prepared paste. Mix it well. Let it cook for 6 to 7 minutes on a low flame, stirring often. You don't have to add any water, but in case you need to, add only hot water. Add a few coriander leaves. I've already switched off the flame now. Enjoy this yummy curry either with rotis or with khichdi as we are doing today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you so much.